Welcome, dear educator. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up an exam on Acad AI in 1 minute. To begin, click on Create New Exam, enter a title for your exam, select the type, click on Next. Then you can either type in your questions manually or generate questions from your material using Acad AI. So now you can upload up to 15 materials and specify the types of questions you want. You can turn this off if you want the questions to come with custom rubrics, or leave it on if you want to use the default ones. And you can also set the difficulty if you want easy questions, difficult questions, or a balance of both. When you're done setting all the configurations, you click on Generate Questions. You wait a few seconds for Acad AI to come up with questions that adhere to all the customizations you've set. There you have it. So all the questions that you requested have been generated by Acad AI, as you can see. So you can also section your exams. You can rename this section if you don't want it to be generated with Acad AI. You can rename this as something like section A. And if you do not want your questions to be in sections, you might as well just delete this, and voila, all this sectioning has been removed. If you want your exam to be grouped according to the type of questions, you can use this auto section by type, and it will put all your questions into sections. You can see theory questions in one section and multiple choice questions in another section. You also have full autonomy to modify the rubrics for your theory questions and modify any part of the question in general before moving on. Once that's done, once you're satisfied with everything, you can simply click on this to save the questions. Next, you set the time for your exam, and then you choose the group of students that are supposed to receive this exam. And once that's done, you can preview to confirm everything is exactly as you want it. Once that's confirmed, you click Done, and once you're ready to send it to your students, you click Publish. There, you've created an exam on Acad AI successfully. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.